Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a wonderful day so far. So by now I must have posted a video saying that I will be moving to LA for the next few months. So today's packing process is really based around the idea that I will not be coming back home anytime soon. So there's really a lot of pressure to, pack everything that I need. I would say that this is probably the longest time that I've been away from home. So the struggle is real, and if there's one thing you must know about me is that I'm trying to be very minimalistic about what I bring with me on trips so that I don't end up paying like huge fares because my luggage is too heavy, or that I don't end up buying things over there that I could have brought from home. I have pulled a few things together since yesterday evening just so I wouldn't end up running around the day before I have to leave. But of course, it's unavoidable. That always happens. No matter how well you plan, there will always be something that you forget or something that you have to run out and get really quickly. This is the outfit of the day, just really simple and casual and a tad bit warm. So, okay, without further ado, let's get into this luggage. So the first thing I did was just lay out this decorative blanket that I have, just because I'm putting my luggage on top of my bed and I don't want any dust or anything else to fall on the place where I sleep. So I'm going to start showing you a little bit what I'm taking with me. I'm only taking 2 pairs of jeans, these short jeans and then these mid-length capri jeans, just because they are so easy to mix with other things. And I mean, as long as you have the base, then you can create endless styles using blouses such as these. I have different colors. I am a big fan of white during the summer, so a lot of the things that you will see in this packing list are actually white or a variation of a lighter color. I have this khaki top that I absolutely love. It's going to go so well with any of these pants or even with leggings. And then we have just a few sweaters, not very thick because LA can get cold, but it doesn't get that cold. So I'm going to take this pink sweater, this Tommy Hilfiger pink sweater, that I really love to wear with anything from jeans to skirts to dresses. You can dress it up, dress it down. It's really great for any occasion. And then these are my more casual t-shirts. I really love this one with all the fringes. It's really fun. It's really summery, and to me, that's what LA is. So, of course, I wanted to bring this one. And then I have a bunch of others. My I Love San Francisco t-shirt and my Levi's t-shirt, and, a bunch of others that are really nice to put in the mix. Then we have my workout clothes. I am a big fan of morning workouts, so everything that I got here are my, my more calm colors, and then something a little bit more vibrant for days when I want to go out on a run. And I just picture myself on the beach working out and wearing these clothes. I just find that it gives me so much joy. And then, of course, we have some other pants. I am a big fan of flowy pants, and these are really fun to mix with all of the casual t-shirts as well as the more dressy shirts, which is something that I really love. And then here we have some beach wear. I have this really amazing bathing suit that I never got to wear, and I've had in my closet for some time now. Probably gonna show you a picture of me wearing it, but like, imagine this is the bra itself. It has no padding, which is what I really love, and it has this really cute things here on the shoulders. It's so pretty. It's kind of like a blouse. And then this is something that I really love. I bought it in Bali, and it's so pretty. It can be a top, or it can be like the upper part of a bathing suit. And I mean, come on, just this with the hat and then that. I'm like, sign me up. Best thing that you will ever take are one-piece outfits. So anything from rompers to dresses. I mean, you can't go wrong with the one piece. Like, for example, I love this romper. This one reaches just above my ankles, and it's so pretty and so beautiful. And what I really like about it is actually the back. As you can see, it ties just behind the neck and then all around the waist and creates that beautiful waistline. I mean, this is just great. You can dress it up, dress it down, wear it with heels, wear it with sneakers. It's always going to look fabulous. And these are mostly the kind of pieces that I have in this pile. A lot of pieces that you can just wear on different occasions, and then you don't have to take all your closet, so you don't have to be very high maintenance on trips such as these. I'm only taking 3 pairs of shoes with me. One of them and my favorite are these. And then I have, of course, my Nikes, which are great for my workouts. I will always be running or doing some yoga or anything that keeps my body moving. And of course, those black ones, just in case I am wearing more darker colors. And the best part is when you have, limited amounts of accessories and shoes, it's also easier to get dressed. I think that this is the only bag that I will be taking with me for as long as I go. And I mean, it's a hard choice, but seeing how it has these gold details, it can be a day bag as well as an evening bag, or even, a beach bag. And then I have this hat, which goes perfectly well with the shoes. And I mean, you can just wear this outfit any way you want. You can pair it with white, with black, with khakis, with earthy colors, with, more eccentric colors if you want. I mean, as long as your shoes, your hat, and your bag match, you can literally put anything next to that. So now it's time to fit all of this into these packing cubes. If you haven't seen my video on how I pack for Paris, I explain how I use these packing cubes. So I'm just gonna link it here and maybe you can watch it after this one. Do not be afraid to really stuff your things in there because we are not really worried about the wrinkles right now. Typically, if you go out on a trip, you will have an iron or something to, get those wrinkles out. But for now, all we are really interested in is getting these clothes in as compact as possible. And as you see, I'm using the rolling method. I know a lot of people like to stack them up, kind of like what I did when I was preparing them. But to me, I just find that the rolling method just lets me get so much more in there. What are you, a stacker or a roller? Leave your comment down below and let me know. All the clothes that were laid out have actually fit into my packing cubes, which makes it so easy to find. I try to pack these in categories, so sweaters with t-shirts, and then jeans with the more casual pants, and then the rest of the space we are going to fill with cosmetics and electronics. And there are just a few things that I left out. One of them is this little packing cube that I'm going to use to pack all of my chargers and adapters and things like that. And I will also throw in this blazer because it just works with everything. So all of these, I've left them out just because I'm going to use them as padding once I place all of my cosmetics inside, just to make sure that they don't break during transport. Okay, so here we have the spread of cosmetics and body care and things that I'm going to take with me. First and foremost are these masks, which I'm probably going to take with me on the plane, but I also have a bigger stock of these. As you know, this is the accessory of the season. So starting with the skincare, I'm going to take my foaming face wash and my night oil, my serum, my toner, and of course this really nice cucumber, and let me see if I can focus on this so you can see what it is. It's a facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. That's going to be really great as I'm, spritzing it on my face in the sun. And then of course my lip balm and my day cream, which also has SPF in it, so that's really great for when you're going somewhere in the sun. I have my organic natural deodorant, which has no perfume, no irritants. It's a really good brand, and you can also get it on Amazon. Okay, moving on to makeup, I'm only going to take a few things such as this bronzer and this Kylie Cosmetics lip kit. I also have this Chanel lipstick. I find that this is such a fun color just to be out in the sun. A BB cream that's also SPF 50, so I would be nice and protected. And then this one is really funny. I actually have to show you guys. So as you can see, it is called the Nude Dude. And the palette itself actually has nude dudes. Clearly, I went all out on the feisty. This has been the subject of many, many jokes, so I'm not even going to get into that. And then these are a Clinique SPF face cream for the days when I will not be wearing any other cream or foundation to protect my skin. And this is the Avène Sun Protective Oil. It has SPF 30. For my skin, this is the perfect level of SPF as I already have olive skin, and I just really get naturally tanned. I don't really get burned. And then just a few accessories. I've really been into gold these past few months. This is like fantasy jewelry. Some of it is actual gold like this one, and I really love it because it's at the base of the neck, and as I said, it's very versatile, so I can wear it with all kinds of outfits. Then this half moon that I really love, and then all of these are fake gold. These are really beautiful. For example, I love this, kind of looks like a moonstone. Can you see it? So pretty. So I think we're all packed now. What I did was I actually put the cosmetics between the packing cubes and this final layer of clothes, just to make sure that, you know, as they are unloading my luggage, that they don't hit another luggage and then they explode all over the place, putting all of my clothes in danger. And this hat, I actually packed it in a way that it doesn't flatten. I stuffed it with socks and other intimates, and I also added this dress and this romper, you know, around the head, just to make sure that it doesn't flatten out and it becomes really ugly and difficult to wear. And then at the end, I'm actually going to add this blazer, as I said, just like this, just to give you an idea. But of course I'm gonna try to, you know, fit it. And then I'm going to close the bag and that will be it. Whew, so our packing is done. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you subscribe. I hope you keep coming back here because I'm going to post more videos from LA and things that I do and things that I see. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll make sure to make more videos like these. And I really hope I get to see you again. And now it's time to head off to LA.